Hey, it's SJ, and today we are unboxing the Nike Air Max Just Do It. Let's get to it. Hey guys, it's SJ, and we are unboxing the Nike Air Max Just Do It, and we're doing a little experiment today. We're not only filming for YouTube, we are filming for Instagram TV as well. So let's get to the unboxing, speeding up about now. I was pretty swifty with that. Makes a change for me. Let's get these out. Shh, sorry about that, guys. Right. It's a red box. I'm getting a few of these red boxes now because I stepped away from my favourite blazers and my Vans, and I've become a bit of a Nike Air Max girl. So it's a red box. And on the box, it says these are women's Air Max 1 LX. They are a US 8.5, UK 6, and they are total orange, white, black, which gives you a very strong clue to the colorway I went for. And I've got a sticker, a Just Do It sticker. So this pack of the Air Max 1, the AF1 and the X14 have been released to celebrate 30 years of this iconic slogan. I mean, all you have to say is just do it, and everybody the world over knows exactly which brand you're talking about, Nike. So there we go. Just do it. Do it, baby. Do it. And inside, oh my word, jeez. Okay, Mr. B, these aren't just like your Gatorade Jordan 1s orange. These are flipping neon orange. Get your sunglasses out, folks at home. Get those sunglasses out, because these are some bright babies in here. Let's get them out. Oh my word. Oh dear. And we have some alternate laces. Black laces, but yeah, let's get that off the desk. Jeez, these are bright. These are popping in here. It's like seriously popping. These are like so neon. So okay, these released on Thursday the 28th, I think it was, of June in the UK. Anyway, sold out, totally sold out on Nike.com. I believe the Air Max 1 may have been a women's only drop. Was that right, Mr. B? Yeah, there is also, as I said right back at the beginning, there's also the Air Max 1 and the X14 as well. I was really torn between the Air Max 1 and the AF1 because obviously I love my AF1s, and the leather in all the pictures on those AF1s, and I called this out on the stream last week, it looked like real premium leather. But there's something about the Air Max 1 profile at the moment I'm really liking, and these are so epic. There are so many details on here, and apologies to Instagram TV because you may not get all the details and we may have to do a separate little edit just for you. But Mr. B on Sneakerheads, I'm going to give you a bit of time to come in. Can you just see how crazy these shoes are? I'm not really sure where to begin. I really don't. So, okay, let's have a good look around the shoe. So obviously you've got Just Do It like all over the shoe. If we look at the back, it's at the back here. So it wraps around to the ankle. You've got the Just Do It there. On the swoosh, sorry, I'll just flick this around. On the swoosh here, you've got Just Do It. You've got Just Do It, Just Do It, Just Do It. Just in case you don't know which brand this is, you've got to have it as many times as possible. Then you've got Just Do It here on the front. You've got Just Do It all across the laces. And on first look, are you getting this, Mr. B? Yep, I'm getting nods from behind the camera, or kind of. I think they're too bright for him. And then also you've got here a stitched in fabric piece of material with Nike and the swoosh. Then you've got, oh my word, there's like a hologram on the swoosh on the inside. Now I'm going to hold this up to you, camera one, to see if you can actually get that and see it moving. Probably not. Camera two, can you see that? Maybe not, I don't know. So let's go into sneaker cam, and I'm just going to move this ever so slightly, and hopefully you can see that, but there's a hologram there on the swoosh, and I had no idea that was there. I mean, there's so much detail in here. I mean, you've even got literally on this little panel here, you've got a little swoosh as well, and you can't miss the Just Do It tag on the laces as well. So these are really epic, and obviously it says Nike Air Max on the tongue tab here, and also, wow, there is loads of detail. It's also embroidered in the back here. I mean, these are epic, they really are. And the material as well, I know I've complained about the material on Air Max being a little bit, you know, not up to par with, say, some of the Jordans or some of the Dunks that Mr. B has bought, but the quality on these looks pretty good, although there is already like a little cut mark on the leather on the front. I think that's leather. I don't know, my nose is a bit weird today. So I think this is all leather here, and then all of this around here is like a nylon type material. But yeah, I mean, they are pretty bonkers, and they're both exactly the same, and nothing particularly special on the sole, just says Nike Air, that's it. Let's have a look inside. Take the paper out. Oh, my word. You're gonna not miss me walking down the street in these, that is for sure. They are super bright. Yeah, so inside, nothing special. It just literally says Nike, engineered for everyday, for all day, everyday comfort. And I'll bring that there. There you go, camera number 2, so you're not feeling left out. But yeah, these are crazy. Crazy. Now, I know I've seen a few cheeky comments on Instagram where other people have called these out to be a poor person's off-white. Well, not everybody could get an off-white, and these are very different to the off-white Nike collabs, in my opinion. It's very much a different shoe. I mean, this is just bonkers. So what do you think, Mr. B, on Sneaker Cam? Are you giving us the old thumbs up or the thumbs down? He's giving it a very big thumbs up there. That's a huge thumbs up indeed. And I like them as well. I think I'm pleased that I got these over the Air Force One. You know, I need to switch up the old sneakers occasionally. So let's get another pair of Air Max, why not? And this will probably be the last pair that I'm going to buy for a while, I think, on the Air Max. I'm going to like tone it down a bit, because let's be honest, I've now got the red Curry, the red Atmos, and now bright orange Air Max 1. I don't think I need another reddish coloured shoe. Do I, Mr. B? Or do I? Who knows? Anyway, so what do we think, guys? Love or hate? It's a bit of a leery shoe. Leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think of these. I mean, I do think they're pretty epic, and these are going to be rocked over summer because they're just so bonkers. I need more of a tan. I need to be browner to go and wear these. I think my legs need to get a bit browner. But anyway, as always, as I said, leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and don't forget we are uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays. There may be an odd extra sneaky video coming in because we've got a pair of fire shoes about to drop. But yeah, keep an eye out on the channel. And of course, Sundays, we will be back for streaming Sundays at 8 PM GMT, 12 PM on the Pacific Coast, and 3 PM if you're over on the East Coast. So come along and join us, and if you haven't already and you're liking our videos, hit the old subscribe button, which is down there. I'm not sure if that exists in Instagram TV. Yeah, it must do. So go on, hit that old button. Come along for the sneaker ride and have some fun with us. We'll see you on the next upload. Over and out.